Hello students, welcome to your value education class. Today I will teach you the chapter number 8, the doves and the hunter. Doves and the hunter. Please read with me. Winds blow the dust. Actually, here this is the story, not before that, before some poem is there. Okay, actually, we have learned so many values from this book, but this is a poem. Wind blow the dust that cannot move the rock. United the birds trapped in net, with the net flew the flock. So united the birds trapped in net, with the net flew the flock. Do you know that story? Once that flock of birds, they were eating the paddies, but they did not see that is the trap. So all the birds together, when they understood that is a trap, so they flew together with the net. So we have learned, united we stand, divided we fall. Okay. Is it that wind blow the dust but cannot move the rock? That's the thing. United we stand, divided we fall. It's a popular proverb. Together in a bundle, sticks are unbreakable but can break easily if distributed to all. So here also, that's also story. One farmer had, I told you, a farmer had 4 or 5 sons. They used to quarrel every day. So one day farmer taught a lesson, gave a bundle of sticks to break. But they could not break the bundle of sticks. But when it is divided, that time they broke it. So they broke it, but that is the thing, they can break it easily. So if we are united for the truth and the right cause, there won't be any reason for our efforts to pause. So also we have learned we need cooperation. We should respect the work. We should appreciate the work. So many things, so many values we have learned from these lessons, many lessons. So today's lesson is that hunter and the doves. One day, flock of doves found some rich grains scattered beneath the banyan tree. Beneath means you know that below, under the banyan tree. All the doves flew down to the tree and began pecking at the grains. Suddenly, a net fell over them. They were trapped. Actually, that is the trap. They saw hunters carrying large bags coming towards them because they wanted to hunt the birds because they want the birds' flesh. Flesh means, you know, that is meat. The doves desperately fluttered. Fluttered means they are moving their wings, trying to wriggle out the net. Wriggle out means try to come out from the net. But it was no use. The leader of the doves had an idea. He said, "Let us all fly up together. Our united, what they can do, doves agreed to do. And our united strength will help us to carry net off with us." Doves agreed to do as he said. On the count of 3, all the doves spread their wings and rose in the air. Their collective strength made the net rise with them. Hunters looked up in astonishment. Astonishment? What is the meaning of astonishment? They're amazed at. They tried to chase. Chase means follow. Chase the flying doves, but could not. Carrying the net, the doves flew to a hill where the leader's friend, a mouse, lived with his family. So what did the mouse do? The mouse and his family used to use their sharp teeth to bite through the net. Slowly the large holes appeared in the net, and one by one doves were free. The doves thanked the mouse and his family. Then they flew away together in their strength. Actually, here also, you know that in your class, if you are someone is good singer, someone can be good dancer, someone can act very nicely. If you cooperate or if you participate, everybody, then your joint adventure will be very nice. So obviously, you should do all this work jointly. You should cooperate with each other. You should appreciate other one's work. You should respect all the work. Then it will be great for you. Any work will be great for you. And first lesson you have learned, united we stand, divided we fall. So many stories you have learned with so many values. Okay? Please read it. The next day I will teach you the meaning and question answer. Thank you. Have a nice day.